Y'all, look at what my room looks like. Look at this. Look, it's just literally a mess everywhere. Every piece and corner of my room looks disgusting. Hey you guys, so here's the long story short. Basically, my room is disgusting. I've lived here for, oh wow, today makes 3 months. I've lived here for officially 3 months. I have probably slept in my room a total of 6 times. I've been sleeping in my living room, I've been sleeping on the couch because my room is just so disgusting. I just don't feel comfortable in my room. It's not a sanctuary. You saw the clips. It's just, it's ugly. It's not it. There's just junk and clothes everywhere. So my dresser is finally coming today. It's from Wayfair. I feel like I can't get myself together until I have my dresser because that's where all my clothes is going to be. I have way too much clothes. I need to get rid of a lot of my clothes. There's clothes everywhere in my room. Okay, after further review, I look like the biggest scrub right now, and then people are coming to my house. I'm gonna go make myself look a little more presentable. All right, let me just go get my life together and I'll be back. Okay. Okay, I'm feeling a little bit more put together. Let's just get to cleaning. So I'm gonna be cleaning out a lot of, all of my clothes are everywhere. There's still clothes in bags and still clothes in boxes. There's clothes all over my bed. I've got clothes in the washer and dryer and all this stuff. So when my dresser comes, I will be putting away a lot of my clothes. But the thing is, I know I don't need all of them. I will be selling a lot of my items on Poshmark, and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. So if you don't know what Poshmark is, it's like the easiest way to sell items to clean out your closet, clean out your drawers, your shoes. They also have a home section now where you can put home decor on there. You can find a bunch of amazing deals, up to 70% off, and they have great brands like J. Crew, Victoria's Secret, Pink, Michael Kors. They got Coach, they got Chanel, they got Kate Spade, okay? I won't be giving away those things because I don't even know if I really have a lot of name brand things, but I do have a lot of nice things. You know, I'd be on the Pretty Little Thing, I'd be on the Fashion Nova, Boohoo, all those brands. Also, when it comes to the luxury brands that sell things over $500, like probably like a Gucci belt or Gucci shoes though, they come with complimentary authentication. They make sure that it's authentic before they allow people to sell you the knockoffs, okay? But again, you don't gotta worry about that from me because I don't got that, because you know I'm a broke girl and that's why I'm selling my clothes. So Poshmark is so easy to use. I just downloaded the app a little while ago and I was just scrolling through looking at all the clothes that people are selling from all the big brands. So it's really easy to use. And if you download the app, you can follow me at onlyoneJessXO and you can shop my closet. I'm gonna go through and see the things that I want to sell. I will be listing some of my items for $3, like that's the lowest price we're gonna go to, just because I'm just starting out and I really want to get rid of a lot of stuff. So that's just a little incentive for you guys. It ain't free, but it's only $3. You know what I'm saying? So if you'd like to shop some of my stuff, you can download Poshmark at the link in my description box and go ahead and shop my closet or shop for any of your favorite brands. And let's just get to cleaning my room and get rid of all these clothes that I literally have everywhere. And it's everywhere, it's everywhere. Okay, I just got the courtesy text from Wayfair saying that they're gonna be here in 30 minutes. So I want the dresser to go, this light. I want the dresser to go against this wall here, but that means I have to clean off this floor. So that means I have to clean off this floor. So by clean, I really just mean move everything over there. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Okay, you guys, wow, this lighting sucks. There we go. Okay, the box is here. They came in and now I just have to shove everything over here. Are we ready to see this dresser? Yes, we are. All right. Ah! Oh my gosh, what was I thinking? So, someone please tell me how I'm supposed to get this big old dresser out of this box. The box don't just fall apart. Oh my gosh. Okay. have no idea what I'm doing. Wow. What is that? That's heavy. Why is everything so heavy? You guys, okay, this is so heavy for no reason. We're gonna put you right here. You guys, this is a little more than I bargained for. For some reason, I thought they were gonna like take it out of the box and everything for me also. But like, this is my dresser, but it's so big. Do I cut it out of the box? Like, who's going to deliver this baby for me? Because I need a C-section performed on this box so we can get this out of here. All right, I really think I'm gonna have to cut this out of the box because this is kind of crazy. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the plastic off. I thought I was. No, okay, just kidding. Oh, it's so pretty. It's safe to say I'm very defeated with this dresser right now. And I honestly think I'm going to finish this tomorrow. I'm over it. I'm over it right now. Yeah, at this current moment, I'm kind of over this. I have no idea how I'm supposed to get this dresser off of this box and onto the ground. I don't know how heavy this is, but I just don't understand. Please, somebody tell me how I'm supposed to get the dresser off. Oh, hey, camera. Off of the boxes and onto the ground. I need those delivery men to come back here right now and help me do this because I don't get how I'm supposed to do this. Dresser 1, Jess 0. I'm done for today. And I blocked myself in here. We're doing great. And I will be sleeping on the couch. Goodbye. Okay, you guys, it's been a few days. I had to really wrap my mind around how I was going to get this dresser out of the box and put the legs on it and all that stuff. But good news, everyone. I did it, y'all. I did it, and I did it. So this is a dresser. I got it from Wayfair. And it came, like you saw, like you saw. How y'all doing? It came in a box, but the legs did not come attached. All 4 of the legs were in the drawer. So I had to flip this thing upside down. Very heavy, might I add. And put the legs on. So that took me like maybe a week to like wrap my head around all of that. I was like, there's no way I can do this. So that's that. And all these clothes right here. Oh, Jesus. So like I said, I need to get my room together. Have not slept in here for weeks. I'm gonna put these clothes in the drawers now. And while I'm going through the clothes, I'm gonna pick out which clothes I wanna give away. Or I'm gonna pick out which clothes. Why can't I talk today? I'm gonna pick out which clothes I want to put on my Poshmark. That's really it. Oh my gosh, it's so much clothes. Pretty intimidating. Okay, we can do this. So let's just do this. You guys, I have a bed again. My bed, wow, I have a bed. I might actually sleep in my bed tonight. Can we take a moment? Amen. Like I said, I have a bed. Now, this dresser here, oh, shout out to you, smart guy. So this dresser, I'm using it to put like my hair products and all my hair stuff in here. That dresser is for the clothes. This dresser is for the hair products, hair stuff, makeup stuff, whatever, whatever, whatever. Things I'm gonna do today is set up my nightstand. I got this literally like the day I moved in here, which is 3 months ago, and still in the box, okay? So I'm gonna see if I can set this up by myself. I hope it's not too difficult.
The first day we met, there is no one else. I think I'm more than you. Can't seem to forget. Can't get you out my head. Here's the verdict, and I'm crazy over you. How can one be down? Tell me where to start. Cause every time you smile, I feel tremors in my heart. I have a one concern. How can I get with you till my day comes? Here's what I'm gonna do. I must confess, I'm a mess for you. I'm just a mess with a flavor.
I'm the director and I'm back now, and it's my responsibility to get something on this film.
Wow. This is so cute. Love that for me. Okay, so I'm done. We're not focused. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with my room for tonight. It's nighttime, the night fell. I've been doing this all day. Let me show you guys what it looks like right now. Completely different from what it looked like earlier. We've got the nightstand. Oh, that bag has to go, and we have this here. All I'm gonna do right now is sweep the floor. There's like stuff all over the floor. I still have this rug. It's a blue rug that I want to put kind of underneath my bed just to bring the color back into my room. That rug kind of heavy, so I'm definitely gonna need some assistance with that one. So that rug's probably gonna be sitting there for a little while. All I want to do for tomorrow, I know for sure I want to get some blue curtains for this, like some sheer curtains, and I need some wall decor. Definitely need a plant or something, and I have my huge standing mirror that I want to put here, but I just don't have the energy to do that tonight. So I think I might actually sleep in my bed tonight. I'm very excited. This TV is not staying here. I want to mount it right here, or at least lay it right here, and then I want to put like a wall mirror right here. There's just so many things I want to do. I feel like I'm not going to be done with my room for at least another week, but tomorrow I'll be at Target, I will be at Home Goods, I will be at Ross, TJ Maxx, all the places to kind of get the finishing touches. Maybe get me a little lamp for right here or something. So I'm just really excited. So I will see you guys tomorrow. So you guys, I know I look like a completely different person. 1, 2, I had this whole plan and I did this whole vlog of me shopping at Home Goods and Target to buy all this stuff to make my room complete. And I just could not find the stuff that I wanted, that I like really wanted for my room. Like I really wanted a really nice plant to put either over here or over there. I wanted some like wall decor. I wanted a really nice mirror to put there and then move my TV over here. But I don't know what's going on with the inventory, but I was just not feeling any of it. I'll show you what I did get though. Wait, let me turn this light on so you guys can see the fullness of its beauty. Look at this cute little spot I just don't even know if it fits here, but I was like, hey, this was just, I don't know, cute. I got that mirror from Home Goods. I was gonna put it in my room, but I don't know, I just wasn't fully satisfied. And then I got this little table stand from Wayfair. It was supposed to go over here, but my hallway is too skinny for that, so it goes here. But yeah, so my room is still not complete the way I wanted it to be, but I just kind of figured that at this point, it's gonna take me a little while to furnish my room, my whole entire apartment, because I don't want to just throw things in here just for the sake of a video. I want to make sure I'm choosing pieces and items that I really, really love. So anyways, let me give you a full overview of my room. You guys saw what my room looked like before. And here's what it looks like after. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to download Poshmark using the link in my description box in US and Canada, and shop all the items that I put from my closet. So I'll have all the information down below. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.